So today I woke up and I looked out my window and I saw this bright pink truck. Of course, it was Piece of Cake Moving coming to help me out and save the day. This is my third time moving with them and they always do an amazing job. I travel with my piano everywhere and they've never even gotten a single scratch on it. The people were very professional. It was snowing this day, as you can see, and they still got everything done in a very timely manner, and that included 2 stops before our final destination. So, it wasn't really an easy days of work, but they made it a literal piece of cake. As you can see, we had the wardrobe boxes. Here I was chopping it up with one of the workers. We were just talking. He was a really cool guy. The branding is amazing. It looks beautiful. It makes moving just feel like a really easy thing. So I highly recommend them. You could even use the code IGFamily to get a 10% discount. This is my third time moving with them, and it will definitely not be the last. The guys were very professional, and we got everything done in a timely manner. Highly recommend.